Hi, this is Kenny here. Oh, so today I'm prepared to do a cold call to a new condo so that we can get some listings to see whether they want to rent or sell the place. This is one of the basics we real estate agents or any other business out there to do. But most of the time, there's nobody to share with you how to do your cold calls, right? So today I thought I would like to share with you what I do for my cold calls. I'm also still learning. This is my third day doing cold calls, so please bear with me. There are 5 things that I will share here how to do cold calls. First, you must know your objective. Today my objective for this new condo is to make an appointment. I'm not trying to sell them anything over the phone. I'm trying to sell them an appointment with me so that we can actually look at the unit and see what to do with it, correct? Next is eliminate distractions. I don't know about you, but I am easily distracted. Easily. So in front of me you can see here is a PC. I off every tab, only my list. Which brings me to the third one, ready your list. The numbers are here all. You can call. If you find that it's hard for you to work at home or too much distraction, go to a cafe, work with somebody, work your team, your group, anybody. But ultimately, people who are self-employed and doing your own business, you have to learn how to work on your own. Next is ready your script. It's always easy to have a script to follow. Naturally I'm a straightforward person. I don't like to beat around the bush, so my script is always straightforward too. I will share with you later my cold calls, live cold calls, okay? And which brings me to the last point. When you call, remember these people, they are busy. You are also busy. So you have a limited time to do and get attention. So get straight to the point. Do not beat around the bush, get straight to the point. These are the 5 steps to my cold calls, to effective cold calls that I feel. First is know your objective. Second, eliminate distractions. Third, ready your list, your call list. Fourth, ready your script. And fifth, the final one, get straight to the point. The moment the person answers the phone, get straight to the point. And as always, be comfortable. The person don't pick up next until you achieve your objective. Don't break the momentum. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Hello, Encik Ahmad, selamat tengah hari. Nama saya Kenny ya. Saya condo specialist. Encik, tumpang tanya you punya kunci. Saya cuma nak call ni nak tanya Encik ada nak jual ke sewa?
Bila dapat kunci?
Hai? Encik belum terima surat Dia kata lebih kurang bulan depan boleh dapat kunci.
Tahu lagi, belum dapat surat lagi.
Belum dapat surat, okey. Setahu saya lah, surat dia dah dihantar awal bulan ni. Jadi baik Encik cek peti surat dulu ya.
Okey.
Encik dah buat keputusan apa nak buat untuk unit ni?
Nak duduk.
Oh, nak duduk. Okey, tak ada masalah. Kita jiran lah macam ni.
Okey.
Terima kasih ya Encik. Okey, bye. Hello, Mr. Chin. Good afternoon. This is Kenny here.
Yeah. Okay.
This is Kenny here, the condo specialist for Mr. Chin.
Okay.
I'm calling just to check with you if you would like to rent or sell your unit once you got the keys.
Both.
Both Which one is your priority then? See how
Yeah, depends on how's the offer first.
You have any if you want to sell, let's just say you want to sell, do you have any of price in mind for yourself?
Can you send because I'm working on something here.
Sorry. I will WhatsApp you. Can.
Contact me.
Sorry, I will WhatsApp you now. Thank you. Yeah, we talk there. Okay, thanks. Okay. That's the live cold call that I show you just now. The footage you see, right, was taken in 2019, which is about 2 years ago, but the fundamentals are still the same. So after you will notice that those two people I spoke to are the typical ones that you encounter day to day. Most of them may not have decided yet that whether they're going to rent or they want to sell their unit the moment they got the keys, and it's very normal. So your job as a real estate agent to propose these solutions for them, and they'll tell you both also can. Just keep them in mind, update your database, and the moment that you put down the phone, send them a WhatsApp text messages and ask them when you can follow up with them. Maybe it's like a week later or 2 weeks later. In case of getting the keys, you want to be fast, so maybe 1 or 2 weeks later down the road. I hope that the video gives you a little bit of ideas on how to do your cold calls as a real estate agent. Okay, this is Kenny here from Probably Stories. So I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.